In this guide, you'll learn how to get fast delivery on Temu. Let's get started. Start by launching your Temu app. Make sure you have already logged into your account. Once logged in, add your items to the cart and tap on the cart or checkout icon, usually found at the top or bottom of the screen. Proceed to checkout where you'll see the shipping section before placing your order. Here, look carefully for the option related to faster shipping or expedited delivery and select them if available. After placing your order, you can also go to your order section while the item is still in the packing or processing stage and choose the option to speed up shipment, which sends a request directly to the seller. This lets the seller know you want the order shipped as soon as possible, increasing your chances of receiving your product faster. By selecting these options and acting early in the order process, you can significantly improve delivery speed when shopping on Temu. If this guide was helpful, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.